Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're doing a bit of a different game. It is Nerf FPS. I just discovered this game. Oh god, my game audio is really loud actually now. Oh jeez. There you go. So it's a Nerf game. It's literally a Nerf first-person shooter. And I have been playing this for a bit. But I mean, I'm not the. I mean, I kinda like it to be honest. But yeah, well, there are better games like Phantom Forces. So yeah. But so you might do Phantom Forces on. But for now, we're just gonna play this game. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. I mean, it's a Nerf game. What do you want more? Like, it's a Nerf game. And let's see. Oh yeah, we halfway to level 10. No, I could get another weapon, but this is seriously my favorite weapon so far because it just shoots a lot, and the semi-auto weapon I just unlocked before recording is like trash. It's like really trash, and this game is like they just updated it, but it's still really bad. And I hope the developers are really gonna get time into this because they changed maps, guns, and definitely the spawns because people can just spawn like right in front of you out of nowhere and kill you easily. So if they're really gonna put time in this game, then please fix that. And some maps are too big. This one's fine, but there's one map with the water that's just way too big. It's called Islands, and it's like the worst map ever. I mean, I don't know how I'm getting these kills, and you just have to hit a player once. That's a lie, because that's how you play Nerf as well. If you get hit once, you're like tagged, and that's what they call it too. So that's really fun. That is really in the Nerf concept as well. Yeah, I like that. And I mean, a lot of players are new here. How did I not hit that guy though? Lol. Okay, new map. Woo 1 actually. I still don't know how to see Woo 1. Okay, this looks like a fun map. I'm bad. I'm bad. If you excuse me for being this bad. Look, he got a full auto. That's my goal that I really want to work towards. See how that is, because this gun is really OP because you can really spam it. And sometimes I feel like players are so dumb though. Oh, there's a lot of action and I got 0 kills. How? How though? Oh my god, why did I do that? And I mean, I saw some other YouTuber video, Petrified TV. Some of you probably know him. I mean, he made a video about this. That's how I discovered it, so thanks for that. But, yeah. Still, I don't know what to think of this game. Because you kill. What is that? Nerf. Hello, guys. What is that? What is that supposed to mean? That's what I said. Fix your maps, please. So yeah, this is my like. By the way, guys, this is my first video in after the vacation. So yeah, well that is fun. Cause why I haven't been streaming is because I was on vacation, if you didn't know, and I didn't want to stream yet, so I made a video because now I have time. And I mean, videos, yeah, I just haven't made a video in like super long. And with the program I use now, it's just automatically installed program. You can just record normally and like don't have lag, and it just works, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video so far. It has just been me talking and playing Nerf freely, but yeah, you know. So how are you all? I mean, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. By the way, if I don't speak too much, it's because I'm not used to videos, and with streaming, you can be a lot more quiet. Definitely when you stream the way I do, and that is the boring way. See how much I can spam? I can just miss so many shots. And I can also hit so many shots if I want to. If I can just hit them. You know, that's why I love this game. It has like, it's so easy, but oh god, so hard at the same time. Yeah. How did I not kill that guy? You know, sometimes indeed, like you shoot right at the middle and it just misses. Like, oh, excuse me. Okay, no, this is really annoying. This is really annoying. See, as you can see, this game is like in beta. Yeah, please do. It's not a. Why did I even kill the guy? If I kill both, yeah, okay, that was her. It's so weird, you know, the glitches in this game. But here was new. A lot of fixes, but they didn't do the buff, nerf, the strife, lower jumping height. What's this? Fixed Xbox. We don't care about the Xbox. Come on. Added boot kicking, probably broken. Well, probably broken. What the? Why would you even add it then? It's probably broken. Seriously, if you're watching this, don't add things that are probably broken. It has to be good before it can be in the game, okay? So I hope they're gonna fix this game a lot. Because I mean, it's a really fun concept. Oh god. Yeah, I can't really beat automatic guys. Kinda hard, you know. But I think the first automatic gun is level 30, so I have to make a lot of kills for that. But oh wait, how many kills do I have? Not even the best. Someone got 25 tags. Probably auto gun. What? Oh, what? I thought there was a teammate. That's weird. So yeah. But my vacation was meh, I guess, because I don't know why, but it was just the camping was really bad. Like and our place was like a lot smaller than it said it was, so our tent barely fit on it. Yeah, that wasn't good. And like the pool was like really bad too. There was two pools. There was a Zen pool too. That one was nice, but I mean the normal one was like so bad. It was in the south of France, by the way, if you didn't know. Oh, by the way, I'm using DaVinci Resolve to edit all my videos, and I've also made a drawing video lately. If you're interested, search on Lux Doodle, and like it's an Overwatch doodle. So search on Lux Overwatch doodle, and you'll find it. Yeah, that I made the video with DaVinci Resolve. That was my first video with DaVinci Resolve, and now I'm making this. And now DaVinci Resolve is not a recording software, it's an editing software. And really, I didn't enjoy making the video, but I did enjoy the editing for some reason. I don't know why, but I just did. And by the way, with this gun I have a lot of bullets, so I don't know why I keep. Okay, why am I so slow? the heck? This is the normal walk speed, but like, can somebody kill me? Because this is like really annoying. I need to get, I want to get killed. Yes! Kill me! No, teammates! No, I want to get killed, please, just kill me. Please, somebody kill me. Please, it's fucking time. Heavy, I'm moving. He was like, doom, 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 doom. But anyway, guys, I'm excited for my PC because my birthday is almost, as probably a few of you know. It's on the end of August. But yeah, I'm probably gonna, I hope I get markers, and I hope even more than I'm getting enough money to buy my PC finally, and then I'll be pumping weekly streams, uploads, everything out. What? Excuse me? What was that? And by the way, you have secondaries in this game, but I don't know. I don't know how to feel about the secondaries. Boom. And the best gun in the game is the full auto. It's the rifle. If you know Nerf, it's the rifle nemesis. Wait, I can show you. I could just from here. The nemesis, the rifle nemesis. It's really good. I mean, I hope I can get like this one soon. Oh, level 33 even. Jeez. Disease. Oh, that was Petrify. I was using that one. That this gun is really bad. I think, but I don't know for the rest. I mean, I'm gonna get Atlas. Was that pump action? 12 round rifle. Oh well, I'm gonna try that because the rifle balls are the small balls. Those are the best Nerf guns, by the way, but they're kind of expensive in real life. Then also, yeah. That. But I mean, I love the concept of this game because I don't know. I just like Nerf. This will probably be the last round. Otherwise, the video is gonna be way too long. That was the striker thing, but I don't know why people like it. I mean, I hate it. And I mean, I have like modified this thing as well. I mean, we don't have the eco tool, but I'm saving for that because I think it's a good thing. Or what do you like that? Oh, I think a lot of people buy this. But I don't know, I just enjoy the normal thing. I mean, I think this looks like really dull if you're gonna put one of these sights on them. I mean, maybe it helps, but I don't know. Accuracy. We could do that though. We have to choose because I think we can only equip one. Oh, decreases fire rate. Oh, I haven't even. Oh my god. Airstrike. Oh yeah, this is like definitely good because I know what it is in like real life. Oh, I haven't even equipped direct. Oh, why do we have to even equip this stuff? Wait, I'm gonna try one thing with the heavy. If I don't like it, I'm gonna put it off real fast. And then my game crashed. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video today, and let me know what you think of it in the comments of this one. And I don't know, maybe next week another Roblox video with the Phantom Closures? Maybe. Anyways, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm out. Bye.